Hey. Hello. Hello. Oh no, did your mic die? Hello. Hey, hello. You disappeared for so long. 1 month. Huh? We got 2 weeks. Holiday. Shoo, then disappeared already. So how have you been? What you? You said good, then followed by I guess. I'm not sure. Oh wow. So, how how's the what any update from school or not? The last thing we did was like what? Separation technique, then lights. Yeah, lights. The last thing ended was light. Then I don't think school so early teach anything new, but yeah. Still teaching light, huh? Huh? Teaching what? Oh, okay. Hmm? Yeah, but okay lah. I mean, good what? Then we are like ahead. Then we can chill. You want so hectic, so stressful, man? Okay, then let's go. Okay, we go through the things you don't understand first. Then we do homework. Okay. Send the things you don't understand. Huh? First day of school give homework already, yeah. Why so mean? It's just first day of school. Just first day of school only. Why you me? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. 什么鬼 The things I don't understand is everything of life. 什么赛？我杀了你。Which one? Light normally I think they give you reflection. They ask you for reflection. Then they ask you for refraction, I think. Yeah, if like this then you send me uh okay. You said maybe send me your notes and also then maybe you can go through the notes so you know what's covering in school. Yeah, worksheet also lor. Things you want to ask then. I mean, if it's like this, you ask me like this, then teach the whole thing will take time. Then at least if school notes, school worksheet, then we know at least those are the things you need to settle lah. Okay lah, then send that through ah. We go through that. Yeah. Then we can. In the end, that is also part of learning mah. Then we can use that to explain. And or I think I teach you lights too early already. Everything forgotten. I think. Okay. Okay. Hmm? Due in 2 days。我杀了你 ！Due in 2 days 哪里可以 delay？快点 send 来哟！Due in 2 days 不是 due in 1 week，due in 1 week 就可以 delay。嗯 ？OK OK go，快点安排去 charge 去 charge。哦。Wait a minute, you have the excite program. That what happened in the end. That you tried to told me you have a group chat, then everyone didn't say anything. You was trying to revive it. That was the last thing we know. Then how? In the end how? In the end haven't do yet, right? 这是不是 Then how? 怎么办？死了，对不对？还跟我一样，惨了啦！不要这样 OK， 我们先做你的，先做你的。哈 ？OK， go 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 go。3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4。Hello。摩西。Oh, okay, you're back. Okay, I have a question though. The first page you sent me, right? Start with question 3. Why? Then question 1, 2 there? Huh? Did you just skip that one? Oh, sorry, question 4. Then what happened to question 1, 2, 3? Huh? Huh? Some. Okay. So teacher never give? Or they only ask you to do question 4 and 5? Okay. I explain the first thing. You know, this is the mirror. Let's say this is the mirror. And let's say there's a item in front of the mirror. The distance is 10 meters away from the mirror. Where would the image of the mirror be? The mirror of the image will also be 10 meters away from the. So it's like if this is the mirror, this is the object, the image will be the equal distance. Make sense? So if my object shift to become 12 meters away, what happened to where my image? given that this is the mirror, then where this is the new position of the object. So the image will also move further by 12 meters, right? Make sense? The rule of the game is the image distance and object distance to mirror will always be the same. Agree? Yeah? So image distance and object distance is the same. So now we try to do question 4. So this is the eye chart. This is the eye chart. So we have a mirror. So oh no. I think okay, forget it. I think we start with an empty blank sheet. Later confuse things. Okay. So we start with the mirror. Mirror. Then that's a go. That's a go.等下 eye chart 在这边 This is the chart. The chart is 3.5 meters. So the image of the chart should be how far? Where's So it should be 3.5 meters also. So what does the question want? So you want to find the position of the image and the person. So how far is the distance? Answer? So what happened is it will be 3.5 meters plus 2.5 meters equals to 6 meters. Yeah. Okay. Then mirror. When it comes to mirror, let's say this thing, this is mirror. Let's say this is the shape of the arrow, then we will copy it like this. This is called mirror image, ma. So in this case, question 5, which one have the mirror image where you see this is the head and this is the head, this is the tail and this is the tail, then all distance is same. So out of A, B, C, D, which one is a perfect mirror image? That so if the answer will be B. B for boy for the key. Okay? Okay, so now this one you have ruler with you. This one you need ruler. What does you have ruler or not? you ruler huh? Okay, you ruler 就好. Okay, so what happened is usually when we draw an object, 它有一个 condition. Condition 是 let's say this is the mirror, this is the object. Object need to always have the same distance compared to the image. And this line that you draw must be 90 degrees, so must be the same, like that. So in this case, we have to always draw a 90-degree line. But this is a problem. The object 画不了 90-degree line to the mirror. 这个是 mirror. 可是它不管怎样画都画不到 90-degree line. 所以 we give up. No lah. 所以 we need to extend the mirror. So this is the original mirror. We make it longer. We take a ruler, we draw the line long. In this case, 我们就可以画它的 我们就可以画它的90 degree line. So this is the 90 degree line. See? Now this is 90 degree to the mirror after we extend it. So if I my situation is if I take the ruler and measure this distance, on my screen is 2.5 cm. So I need to measure another 2.5 cm. So this distance and this distance becomes the same. So here become image 1. So that's how the object forms the first image on due to this mirror. Due to this mirror. Okay. So this is location of image 1. Then this image, this object reflects on this mirror. It will reflect on this mirror again. So object produce image 1. Image 1 will reflect on this mirror to produce image 2. So same thing. Image 1 要 produce image 2 on this, 我又要去把我的 mirror extend. Yeah, that's why 这个 question 很烦，可是每年都考，不考头砍掉那种。So I will draw with another color, draw a green color. So I extend the mirror. So now 我去 measure 这个 distance. So now if I measure this distance on my tablet is 5 cm. On your thing might be a bit different. So I go draw something else that's up to 10. So this distance is the same as this green line distance. So in the end, this is where it will form image 2. Why? Because it's reflected off another mirror. So this is image 2. In this case, the person will see the image here. I still remember 16 years ago when I first time teach this, my student asked me, I'm like, 我不会. I'm like, how? In my head, I was thinking, in my head, I was thinking, this is the object. Object hit this mirror, it hit this mirror, then hit this mirror, the light travel like that. 这个我会. It's like the light, dong, dong, dong. Then it's like the image. 我不会，我死了. Then I quickly go Google and find, like, 我会了. Then 我快点 teach. Then the person is like, are you teacher? Why you so stupid one? Say, So yeah, so this object with this mirror form image 1, image 1 with this mirror form image 2. So that's how you draw. Then draw and label image of object. Okay. Draw already, then label already. Yeah, sure. Correct. Everything on screen is, except for the word mirror. Everything on screen is what they will draw. So you need to draw maybe this one is like double line, this one is like double line, this one is a single line, this one single line, to show that the distance is the same. And then draw 90 degree. The teacher should teach this step by step, but the teacher didn't, meh? Huh? Yeah, no. Then 这个东西 is the first time I told you, right? When first time I teach tuition, I'm like 16 years old. I was like dumb as fuck. Then this one came out. Then the 14-year-old look at me and say, how? I'm like, 我不会 That's like shit. Then I cannot say I don't know ma. I need to go find out ma. I said don't know. Then the mom say 你会不会的 So, oh, sorry auntie, sorry. So quickly go find and quickly go see. Then I was like, okay, I figured out already. Okay, so I will show you. You see, it's so popular, right? This was in almost all the book or all exam questions. It's almost guaranteed this thing exists. So I will do this again. This is the object. Always start from the object. Object touch this mirror. So we will extend the mirror. Then we measure the distance. This is around 1.5. So if I draw this question, now this question is not in your worksheet, but it's very similar. So it changes position only. So always draw 90-degree line, same distance. Then here will be the image, huh? Image 1. Then image 1 reflects again. So draw another line and then draw another line. In this case, same distance, image will be at D. So the what form here will be image 2, and image 2 will form at D for dot. So it's the same thing as what we drew here. Okay, let me know when everything done, then we go to question 2. Done already? Oh, 一问就 done 了 okay. Okay, question 2 is all about reflection. Reflection question need explain? Has 全部 evaporate 了全部完蛋了全部都没有了 Never mind. Okay, I explain again. So when it comes to reflection, so what happened is normally this is a mirror. So when light shines down, we call this, the light comes in one, we call a incident ray, because incident means shine. So what we do, we have to draw a 90-degree line. This is what we call, usually we call a normal line. So as a result, this angle is called incident angle. So incident angle is between the incident ray to the normal line in the center. Then as it bounces and move outwards, this is what we call a reflected ray. Then in this case when we have a reflected ray, go find nicer blue color. Then in this case, this angle will be the reflected angle. In what we do, incident angle will always be the same with the reflected angle. So reflected angle will be the same as the incident angle. That's the only theory you have to remember about reflection. You have to know incident ray, normal line, reflected ray, the two angles, the orange and blue will always be the same. 没有了，就是这样子。Because it's Sec 1, so they don't teach anything new. Okay, so with this, we look at question 2. Question 2, we have two angles. Which one is the incident angle? A, B, C, D. Which one is the reflected angle? In this case, B must equal to C because incident equals to reflection. Incident angle equals to reflected angle. Answer? Answer will be C. C for ghetto. Okay, nice. Next one. Okay lah, this one we can draw on the. Okay, at least they give you square, so easy to draw. Okay, you then don't have to measure with the ruler anymore. So, two students stands at point P and point Q. They are able to see each other in the reflection of mirror. The student at point P walks. Point P. What was that? Okay, the student at point P walks to point. Q walks to point P. Huh? Shown by the direction of arrow. 我很乱. Two students stand at point P and Q. Okay, then student at point Q walks away from point P. Okay. Oh, walks away from point P. So 所以 point 所以这个 Q 人走这边 like that. Walk. Then which is the furthest position of A, B, C, D he can stand so that the two students can still see each other. So I guess, okay, then we try to draw the position. So this is A. So this is A. This is position B. This is position B. C, D, D. Okay, I use 4 different colors. So P to the red, P to Q, P to yellow, then P to D. So as you can see, D is the first ray that did. This one did not touch mirror. Agree? Because the mirror ended here. 然后它就这样 totally didn't touch anything, right? So in this case, D cannot be seen. Okay, how do I complete the line? That means yellow line still touch at the edge. So yellow line 它会 bounce. Green color 的 line 还会 bounce. Red color line 还会 bounce 因为全部动到 mirror. 可是 purple color one didn't touch mirror. Because it didn't touch the mirror, so D is not possible. They want to say that which is the furthest position? Answer would be C. Because 它走到最远 and C is the last position which touched the very edge of the mirror for it to for the line to be able to bounce. Okay. Okay, this one can understand because this is actually your school. Oh, this question. Okay, that's good news, bad news. Oh, this question also come out in Sec 3. So technically, they are a little bit harder. That's the bad news. The good news is they can repeat this at Sec 3. Then no need to learn new thing. Yeah. The good thing is better. Always better. Okay, so question 3, no problem. Okay, let me know when you're done. Then I scroll, we go question 4. Okay. Okay lah, we just work along the way. Okay. Okay, students see the image. Okay, it's things like this. The first thing we draw is what? We draw a 90-degree line. So 这个 line must form a 90-degree angle. Oh, where's my ruler? So 它大概多长？这个 line 是 on my screen is 4 cm. So draw equal length line. So this will be image A, image Q. So image Q forms here. So in situations like this, sometimes they want you to draw this as dotted line because they are not actual physical line. Oh, they draw it as dotted line. You can do what I do with an eraser. Then mark the position of the image. Image or object. Oh, 它不是 Q 啊，我眼睛大 stem. It says mark the label as I. Dotted. It's better to be dotted. So because any line that's not dotted is the light ray. Anything that is dotted is just measurement. That's what they try to differentiate. So if you use lines to measure and it's not an actual light ray, draw it as a dotted line. That's the logic behind it. Okay, so mark the position of object O and label it with a cross. 我一直没有读 instruction label it with a cross. And label it as I. Okay, sure. Draw a light ray to show how students see object O. So 1, a light ray. Draw it from the center of the eye. Then the light ray should just shoot straight at the image. Light ray always exists in front of the mirror. So what happened is anything after the mirror 就变成 dotted line. So 通常在 mirror wall 的东西都是 dotted line 的。Then for see where it touches the mirror, it reflects the light ray. 然后它从这边它 boing reflects to object O. So in this case, object shoot the light ray, then draw a 90-degree line, then label this as I, label this as R, then the light ray go into the eye so that the eye can see the object. So draw an arrow, draw an arrow, draw an arrow. So that's to draw a light ray to show how the student see object O. Huh? I and like what? I and the R? 哪来的 R? Oh, yeah, correct. In this case, the I angle must be the same as, yeah, the I angle must be the same as R. Correct, half. They must be identical. Yes, you're right. Hey? Life is about imperfection. Just tell a teacher about that. You need to celebrate imperfection. So don't worry about it. Just give me the marks, man. And the teacher's like, not funny. Okay, so then draw a light ray to show how student see image. Draw a light ray to show how student see object O. Correct? Huh? Oh, shit. What we just... So, draw a image to show... draw a light ray to show how... Oh no, I made a mistake. But anyways, it's still not a problem. So, when he see object O is like that. Object O light ray. Object O light ray will go straight into the eye. So this answer that I drew, this answer is for B. It's for B. This answer I drew is for C1. Then complete the ray diagram. That's why we drew all this. This is to complete the ray diagram. Be careful, your object always shoot lights into the eye. Don't ask the eye to shoot laser out. So don't draw the the eye don't shoot laser and melt the object. So that's not correct. For which one? No, you just have to draw the new line, correct? No need to change anything. Okay. So that's pretty much. Is there more questions to be done? Yeah, you solve everything. Don't have. Oh, 切，你讲的好像很难讲。Due in 2 days, I'm gonna die. 哪里有 This girl. Are you happy to go back to school or are you sad the holiday ended? Because not go school is better, right? Is there anything good about school? Huh? Friends, right? Friends the only thing good, right? Everything else is like, nah. Hey, then in the end, how your project, how? Your exact program? You haven't built your thing. You haven't built your filter. "确定做得完吗?" 我mom wonder you if 哎呀 never mind lah. Everyone just have to not do homework once in a while, I guess. Okay, we do like question. Has school teach you refraction? This is called refraction. So this rather than reflect, this is with with a L. This is refraction. Refraction is where the light change direction due to moving from like air to water, air to glass, glass to air, etc. Did school teach refraction already? Okay. Okay, so in this case, okay. Correct. So what happened is incident angle should happen between the solid line and the dotted line, which label as I. Then refracted leh, R leh. Should be this line, right? But this is R. So that's pretty much it. You need to know reflection, which is this, and then refraction, which is this. Okay. Describe and explain the change in path of light as it travels from air into glass. So this one. So what happened is the special situation here, this is 90 degree. When something is 90 degree, the light ray will push you and go in a straight line. Without any, there will be no changes. You just this is a 送分题 as long as 这边有 as long as 你看到它 90 degree 你画 straight line 就对了。So this line, we will bend with one exception, 90 degree. 90 degree 是送分题。OK？ 所以每次考试他都会叫你画那个 bent line， 然后故意画一个90 degree one。Huh? What? Okay. So in this case, how will you answer the question? No lah, then describe and explain the changes of the path as it travels from air into glass. So in this case, okay, the light bends. Sure lah, fair enough. Until school teach one, light bends. Does it bends closer to the normal line or bends away from the normal line? Normal line refers to... Yeah, it goes closer to the normal line. You can say it bends towards or goes closer. Okay, cool. Oh, I mean, I already gave you the answer for QR. It just went straight, right? So draw the path of light ray as it exits side QR. So it goes straight up. Okay? Okay. 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 Then... Okay. 有一个 color. No. Ooh. Sure. No. We are only gonna do light today. Holiday just ended. You wanna do so many things for what? Chill first, bro. You have the next potential holiday is National Day. It's 2 months from now. Yeah. Okay. So you control me with your voice. You are required to draw a ray diagram and you have to draw 2 light rays. It's not 1 light ray anymore. Okay, where should I draw the image of the ball? How should I draw this? This is a beach ball, ma. So this is the object. Okay, so from here, actually let's just find the center of the ball. So then this one need to make sure it's dotted line. Dotted line. Wait, dotted line, dot dotted line 了 OK 然后 continue the line. Okay, measure the distance first. The distance from here to here I measured is 4 cm. So I need to draw another 4 cm line. So I took ruler and measure my screen. Hey, 我没有懒惰，我有画。Never mind, the teacher don't have to know. You have to what? Okay. So in this case, since I drew 2 equal distance line, so roughly this will be the image. Then okay, so this is so we, because of the equal distance of 90-degree line, then we managed to find the image position from the object. Okay, then that's level 1. Then second part, you want to draw 2 light ray. Just if they want to draw 1 light ray, you take the if they want to draw 1 light ray, you draw from the center of the eye, like that. If they want to draw 2 light ray, which this one 它 on purpose 它要你 2 light ray, right? Then 你就不可以这样画了。Then 你要 draw from top of the eye. 画错了。Draw from top of the eye, the top of the eyelid, and bottom eyelid. 这个就是2个 light ray 的画法。How you draw 2 light ray? Okay? Same thing, once you do this, then take the eraser, then make whatever at the back become dotted line. it must be solid line in front of the mirror, but once you reach the mirror wall, everything should be dotted line. So here should be dotted line. Here should be solid line. Okay? Okay. Then next step, we see where the solid line touches the mirror. It touches the mirror here, it touches the mirror here. So in this case, where it touches the mirror, it reflects. It touches with the mirror, it reflects to the original object. Then we have to start doing this. If I were to draw arrow like this, is it correct? No, like this is where the eye shoot laser and then go reflect the mirror and then go burn the object. That is wrong. The light should come from the object and go into the eye, not the eye shoot laser. Then lastly, we have to draw dotted line. Oh my god, and in two places. 我不喜欢呢 dotted line dotted. From the object to the eye. Your eye shoot laser to the object. Oh no. Magic. If your eye can shoot laser, can you show me? That would be cool. Why? It'd be cool. Then the government will catch you for experiment. Then they come catch me too. They say, oh, 你 influence 他，你一定知道 some secret, so we will torture you. You need to tell us. 我真的不知道，他只是跟我讲他的 eye can shoot laser，我就问他 just show me. So yeah. Okay, then the very last thing is just draw angle lor. So angle, then angle and angles. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 没有了。Yeah, you're right. Okay, label I, R. Then this one is the I. The bottom one is the R. Okay. Hmm? 没有啊，它这样 line 这样做 dot， 这边就是一个 I， 这边就是一个 R。 The other line is like then like this， then 上面是一个 I， 下面是一个 R 咯。Yeah, very 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 small. It's between. Okay, let's zoom in. See, it's between this line and the dotted line. So this is I. Yeah, was it? Yes. Can I mean, as long school give work, then we do together with proper understanding. Sec 1, Sec 2 should quite easy to score. Sec 3, 这 Sec 3再讲啦 chill 啦，一步一步来，你还这样快这样 stress 什么？Okay, all good. This one. So 我选这一题的 thing is because 你的 homework 是 one light ray, and this question 是 two light ray, so 它就有不一样 already. I show you again. 我画在上面给你 compare contrast. 我怕它 over. 可以不要 overlap 吗？你为什么这样长？你去旁边那里。 Okay, put at the side. So you see, 我画这个 Okay, I draw this again. Where's my ruler? Okay. Light ray touch the surface. Then light ray touch surface is 9. Is why become warm 90 degree. Then 底下才做 dotted line. 我现在麻烦了，等下。Then this one is roughly to here. So in this case, make everything dotted line. 因为它不是 actual light ray, so everything dotted line. In this case, this is image I, and draw a cross over it. Then the light ray, this one they say they only want a light ray. So the light ray is only one light ray. You didn't draw two light ray. So to draw one light ray, start from the center of the eye. Tweet. In this case, make whatever's inside the mirror world dotted line, because those are not actual light rays. Then when it touches the surface, it bounces. In this case, object O bounce to object. Then this is I. This is angle R. So that's the main difference. If they ask you for draw one light ray, draw it in the center of the eye. If they ask you to draw two light ray, draw one out from the top, one out from the bottom. So 它一个在上面，一个在下面，要 see where they touch each other. So as you can compare between the two answer, this one is one. This one is one light ray. This one is two light ray. 它就只有 one 跟 two 罢了，不会有 three 的。And drawing question is very worth it because one drawing question minimum 3 to 5 marks. If you lazy, you want to aim for high value, easy to score, do a bit then but earn a lot of marks one, do the drawing question. It's more worth it than write a lot then 2 marks. Right, what? Huh? What? What? Okay, all done for this one? Yeah? No? Okay. So 这个基本上考试应该都是肯定会考的 and focus on the free marks. It's worth it. Yeah, it's free marks. School haven't teach refraction, huh? You say only show video only. Okay, so questions like this. Which one is a free mark? This is a free mark. Why? Because when a light ray travels, you see this is the 90-degree line. It travels directly on it. It just goes straight. But at the B will be like this. Then it touches here. Then it will bend towards correct. It has to, this angle I should be bigger compared to R because outside is air, inside is air bubble. So So this one is just for exposure to show you drawings of refraction. When school start giving that, we will also practice using those homework. Then that will help you to prep to do well for your test also. Okay?可以吗? Yes. 可以吗? Okay. Okay. So yeah, I think schools still have refraction to do and stuff. So okay. So in this case, I think today mainly we will cover revision. So the revision will be on reflection. Then we do a bit of refraction introduction, and we do mainly on mirror drawings. Okay, confirm again, anything that's important and urgent for now other than your water filtration system. I tell you what, in case anything happen, just drop me a message and do what I can to save you lah, okay? Okay, see you in a week's time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, okay. Bye bye.